Not one to like complain or anything. There's a chicken cutlet on there.
What the?
Like at a vegan restaurant. Like, yeah, no idea. There's a chicken cutlet on my BLT that I ordered here.
Get out of my store!
Just give me 100 cash.
Get the fuck out of my
just
store!
100 cash and then I'll leave.
Hold on. Why'd you? I can make you another BLT.
Go. Or get ready to go. Hold on. Go. Get that ass, go. It was just some chicken.